weeks. Well, actually it's day 3, but I've actually put this all together yesterday, and I just thought I'd tell you a bit more about what we're going to do in our kitchen. So I've rearranged it a little bit to make it usable and functionable as a kitchen for 4 weeks. So let me just show you what I've done. Okay, so I've condensed all this over here, which is my little workstation here, my pantry, bits in there, because all this has to go. And what I did was I put the table over there, so it's just so it's like a little walk around island, because that's basically where the island's going to go anyway. I've moved my little coffee bar to here just for now, so that works. We've just plugged in the dishwasher so we can still use that. We're getting a brand new dishwasher because that's just about had it. And this is our little temporary sink, and there's my toaster and the wiring and everything there. So that wall's going to be knocked out. The fridge is going to go here. We're going to extend this wall out a little bit here. Like I said before, this door going into this room is going to be a glass door, so that's going to be a glass. I'll show you the same as the other door. So that's going to be a new door. The flooring, like I said, is going to be all new, all the way from we're going to put new tiles down there. The flooring is all going to be new. We've ordered all that as well, and that will just go right throughout the whole house, apart from the bedrooms, because they'll be carpeted. So that'll be all the way through there. Yeah, and the door that we're going to put just on here is going to be the same as this one. It's going to be like that, just so so I can see through. And we're trying to get a window that's like this one. I just like the old vintage look about that, so we haven't painted that white, but it's going to be like that, hopefully. Yes, so that's what we're doing there. And like I said, in the lounge room, I'm getting roller blinds made. I'm not sure what style yet, but they're going to be just pulled down ones. I think it's about 800 or something to have those done. Get rid of those tatty old curtains that are sort of there forever. And yeah, and we'll probably get the telly and mount it on the walls, just so I don't have this silly little table here. And yeah, and that's going to be what it's like. So this is at the kitchen at the moment. Like I said, we're having the island here. That's going to be a marble island. We're going to have glass top windows up the top there, a big stove in the middle there, and that lovely butler sink's going to go over here, and benches there, so and also a bench here just so I can put my mixing bowl on, and the coffee machine is going to go over this side with the walk-in pantry, and that's where we're up to. So yeah, I can't really film much more at the moment because it's sort of on a hold now, because we've got to get the rest of the stuff done. But look at that, it's really nice flooring. I'm really happy with the colour of the flooring. With kind of a darkish wood. It's quite a thick wood, I'm not really sure, timber or whatever's. Yeah. A quick update on my kitchen progress, and we've also taken some flooring up, so I just thought I'd show you around. This is a little continuation of my renovation part of living in the country. So I've rearranged the kitchen a little bit, and we've made it functionable until we get the cabinets all put in, and it's going to look so lovely. So I'll just show you where we're up to at the moment. Okay, so I'm actually cooking dinner too. So what I've done, this is from here. So we've got the little cooker, the standalone cooker. It's all patched up, ready to go for the cabinets. I end up putting the table in the middle there, and I've shifted stuff around over here, so it's not quite as chaotic as it was before. And then yeah, look, all the wiring's all hanging down. It's going to take a while, but anyway, it's all being booked in for the next couple of weeks anyway. So that's my little temporary kitchen, and yeah, we just run wires, leads and that everywhere, and the dogs like to watch, so I bring them over here as well. So from this angle, we're looking at this. This is how my kitchens look, like that. Now what I want to show you now is the floor. The other room, which has got, it had all my like shabby chic stuff and other things like that. So my husband's taken everything out of there today, and he's actually pulled all the flooring up because we're getting all this new flooring. So I'm going to just show you what he's done. So this is the other room. This is from coming out of the front door. We're going to rip all this flooring up and we're going to put some new tiles down. And then he's taken all the flooring. We had wooden floorboards here, but they were old. So he's taken all that up today, moved all the furniture, emptied all the bookcases, moved everything out the way. And it's all ready to have the new flooring, which is going to be lovely. So that's what that looks like from that angle there. And yeah, look at all that. It's ready to go. So, and then what we're doing, we're getting all the skirting ripped up, and this old floor, the new floor is going to go all the way through here, and all the way through the lounge room and the hallway and everything too. So yeah, so it's a huge job, and yeah, I can't wait to show you what it's like. So anyway, that's all. It's just a quick update on the kitchen. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.